Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about gametogenesis. As you all know that gametogenesis is a very important process. It related with the chapter reproduction. It related with human reproduction. So let us discuss about this. Gametogenesis is a process of formation of gametes. Okay, from in the gonads. Okay, it is a process of formation of gametes in the gonads. It is of two types. It is spermatogenesis. It is spermatogenesis in case of male. It is spermatogenesis in case of male. Spermatogenesis means the formation of sperm. In seminiferous tubules or in testes of a male. In the testes of a male. Okay, so it is a formation of the male gamete. Now next we have oogenesis. The oogenesis termed as a process of making of female gamete. It is the process of formation of female gamete, that is oogonia or ovum. It is a oogonia or ovum in case of ovaries. In ovaries in the female, okay, in the female body. So let us discuss these two processes in detail, starting with the spermatogenesis. Okay, spermatogenesis is a process that occurs in the seminiferous tubules in case of a male. It starts at the age of puberty. Spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty. It starts at the age of puberty. Okay, that is 13 to 14 years of age in case of a male. Now, at the starting, we have a cell that is termed as a spermatogonia. Okay, that is spermatogonia. These cells are present in the inner cell mass of seminiferous tubule. Now, this spermatogonia, this cell will undergo mitotic division. It will undergo mitosis. So, it will mitotically differentiate to produce two cells which will have the equal chromosome number that this parent cell bears. Okay, if it has 46 number of chromosomes, then both the cells formed after the division, they will also have 46 number of chromosomes. Okay, so it divides mitotically. Mitosis will take place here. Now, the cell that is formed here will undergo further division and it will produce two cells. Okay, like this. It will produce two cells. This cell will not involve further in differentiation. These two cells, out of these two cells, they will further undergo differentiation, that is termed as first meiotic division. That is first meiotic division. Okay, this is first meiotic division. This cell will undergo first meiotic division, and this first cell that will undergo first meiotic division, it is termed as primary spermatocyte. Okay, it is primary spermatocyte. Now, this primary spermatocyte periodically divide to form secondary spermatocyte. It will divide to form secondary spermatocyte. Now, at this stage, the chromosome number reduces to 23. Okay, the chromosome number reduces to 23. It will undergo and this type of division, first meiotic division. Now, these two cells will further undergo, this cell that is formed here is secondary spermatocyte. It is secondary spermatocyte. Okay. Now, this secondary spermatocyte that is formed after first meiotic division will further undergo second meiotic division. Here we have the second meiotic division. And it will result in the formation of 4 spermatids. Now, these 4 spermatids will further results in the formation of, they will ultimately form these spermatozoa. Okay. Now, we have ultimately spermatozoa, 4 spermatozoa. Okay, 4 spermatozoa, and the chromosome number here is 23. It will reduce after meiotic divisions. The chromosome number here is 23. Okay, so in the end we have 4 spermatozoa from the one spermatogonia. Okay, let us recall again the spermatozoa undergo mitotic division, and it will result in the formation of primary spermatocyte. Now this primary spermatocyte undergo first meiotic division, then we will get secondary spermatocyte. The secondary spermatocyte will undergo second meiotic division. Here we have second meiotic division and will get 4 spermatids. Okay. Now the process of formation of this spermatid, that is known as spermiogenesis, and the formation of this spermatozoa, which will get from spermatids, that is these spermatozoa, they are embedded in the Sertoli cells. So the release of these spermatozoa from the Sertoli cells, that is termed as a spermiation. Okay, so this is about spermatogenesis. Let me tell you about oogenesis, the process that occurs in the human female, that starts in the embryonic age as compared to the spermatogenesis, which begins at the age of puberty. The divisions are just similar, but the major difference that it begins at the age of at the embryonic age, in the mother's womb. It begins in the mother's womb in case of a female. So we have in the starting we have oogonia. Okay, oogonia. Now this oogonia, that will undergo mitotic division. This oogonia will undergo mitosis. With the chromosome number 46, it will undergo mitosis and it will result in the formation of 2 cells. Okay, 2 cells. Now these 2 cells are termed as primary oocyte. They are primary oocyte. They are termed as primary oocyte. Now these primary oocyte further undergo division, and it will ultimately leads into the formation of further 2 cells, which will undergo first meiotic division. They will undergo first meiotic division. Now after first meiotic division, what we'll get a polar body. Okay, we'll get a polar body. After this we'll get a polar body. We have a polar body, and one will get this oogonia. Okay, one will get this secondary oocyte. Will get a secondary oocyte. Now this secondary oocyte will further divide to produce a secondary polar body. This is first polar body, and the second polar body will get after second meiotic division. This is second polar body that will get after second meiotic division, and ultimately will have a ovum. Okay, so that's all for today, students.